Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to hide like count on Threads app. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on this app. Okay, then click on your profile. Okay, then click and scroll down. Then choose your any posted image. Okay, then just tap on three dot option and tap on hide like and share count. Just tap, then to hide like count on Threads app this post. That's all. Then try another post. Click on three dot and tap on hide like and share count. Just tap, then OK, and click and tap on unhide like and share count. Just tap, then unhide. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.